Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an indispensable accessory for anyone who relies on their Elmo 9419 TT-02S visual presenter, the Dysead 12V3A AC adapter. This power charger supply cord is designed to keep your visual presenter running smoothly and reliably, and it brings a host of features that truly set it apart. One of the most critical aspects of any power supply is safety, and this Dysead adapter truly excels here. It comes with international quality certification, assuring users that it meets rigorous industry standards. This isn't just a claim, it's backed by numerous built-in safety mechanisms. For instance, it offers robust protection against short-circuiting, which can be a common and dangerous issue with lesser quality adapters. Furthermore, it safeguards against overvoltage and overcurrent, ensuring that your valuable Elmo equipment receives a stable and appropriate power supply without risk of damage. Internal overheating protection is also a key feature, preventing the adapter itself from becoming a hazard during extended use. All these layers of protection are designed to ensure complete safety throughout its operation, giving users significant peace of mind. Beyond safety, the performance and reliability of this adapter are paramount. The manufacturer emphasizes that all their product lines undergo rigorous quality control procedures. This commitment to quality means that users can expect safe and reliable operation for many years to come. It's not just about meeting basic requirements, it's about exceeding high industry standards. The adapter operates on a versatile 102/40V5060 HZ input, making it suitable for use in various regions without needing additional converters for voltage. This premium quality charger is built to last and perform consistently. When considering compatibility, it's specifically designed for the Elmo 9419 TT-02S visual presenter. While it's listed as compatible with PCs, its primary and most impactful application is undoubtedly with the Elmo unit. A crucial note for anyone looking to purchase this adapter is to always double-check that it matches their specific device before making the purchase. This ensures optimal performance and avoids any compatibility issues. The package itself is straightforward, containing one high-quality adapter ready to power up your visual presenter right out of the box. For anyone needing a dependable, safe, and high-performing power solution for their Elmo 9419 TT-02S, this Dysead 12V3A AC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice, offering both robust protection and consistent power delivery.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.